My name is Dara. I live in Los Angeles and I'm an online fitness and health coach. I was really blown away. She has an amazing energy and presence and really just has a way of having you dig deep in a non-painful way and really think about your life, what you want and what's kind of blocking that. When she asked to pick a moment where we felt really powerful, I knew immediately what my moment was, which she said, you'll feel like it's intuition, you'll know. And I felt that, but I also didn't realize until she was digging deep with me that the feelings that I was feeling in that moment, I no longer was feeling. And it was just a reminder that, how do I explain it? It's a reminder that, I'm more than my body, because that was my breakthrough, and just going off of that. So this is it was a really brief, synopsis of what you would get in her one-to-one coaching, which sounds like a dream. So definitely opening my mind up to working with someone that has one, feminine energy, because I have a mentor, but it's a man and it's a totally different vibe. And she really has this warm, positive energy and but also super powerful. And she's funny and, has a way of bringing out, things that you want to work on, but do it in a way that's humorous. I also really liked her morning approach. That's something I want to start doing with, not looking at your phone for an hour and having a journal and then an evening journal. I think that's a really productive and positive way to start your day. I think she definitely has a gift of working with people. She really knows how to dig deep, but in a gentle way. She really just has a gift of working with people. That's definitely her calling. She's not only beautiful to look at, but she has a really beautiful heart. You could just tell. And I don't know, it's just you just can tell when someone is this powerful being that you want their energy, and that's definitely who she is.